Have you ever considered how bizarrely complex your body really is? Beneath your skin, trillions of microscopic actions are happening every second, battles, repairs, and miracles that keep you alive. Today, inspired by Bill Bryson's The Body, we're diving into the top 10 strangest facts about the human body. Get ready to be amazed by the ordinary, because your body is anything but. Let's jump into the weird, the wild, and the wonderfully human. Your brain is a 3-pound powerhouse, a marvel of biology that sits quietly inside your skull, orchestrating every thought, feeling, and action you experience. Though it may not look like much at first glance, this soft, wrinkled organ is the command center for your entire body, working tirelessly every second of your life. Despite making up just about 2% of your total body weight, your brain is incredibly hungry for energy. In fact, it consumes around 20% of all the energy your body produces. That means, even when you're sitting still or lying down, a fifth of the calories you burn are being used just to keep your brain running. It's like having a tiny, high-performance engine running non-stop, even when the rest of your body is at rest. Inside this remarkable organ are about 86 billion neurons, specialized cells that communicate with each other through rapid electrical impulses. These signals zip around your brain at incredible speeds, creating a constant buzz of activity. Altogether, the electrical energy generated by your brain ranges from 10 to 23 watts at any given moment. That's enough to power a small LED light bulb, and it's happening inside your head right now, whether you're solving a math problem or just daydreaming. Every thought you have, every memory you recall, and every movement you make is powered by this intricate electrical storm. The brain's electrical activity is so powerful and unique that doctors can actually measure it using special equipment like EEGs to see your thoughts and emotions in real time. It's a living symphony of signals, constantly adapting and responding to the world around you, and the action doesn't stop when you go to sleep. Even as you rest, your brain remains active, organizing memories, processing information from the day, and even cleaning out waste products that build up while you're awake. This nightly maintenance is crucial for your health and well-being, and it's all powered by the same electrical energy that lights up your mind during the day. So, the next time you have a bright idea or a sudden flash of inspiration, remember, it's literally powered by your own internal spark. That light bulb moment is more than just a metaphor. It's a real burst of electrical activity inside your brain, connecting ideas and creating new possibilities. Your brain isn't just a computer, it's a living generator, constantly producing energy and running the most complex show on Earth. You. It's more powerful and adaptable than any machine we've ever built, capable of learning, creating, and imagining things that have never existed before. That's the real power of your mind. It's not just about intelligence or memory, it's about the incredible energy and creativity that makes you uniquely human. So take a moment to appreciate the amazing generator inside your head, and remember, every idea, every dream, and every action starts with a spark from your own brain. When you think of bones, you might picture the brittle, yellowed skeletons hanging in classrooms or museums, fragile, lifeless, and easily broken. But that's just a shadow of what your living bones are truly capable of. Inside your body, your bones are marvels of natural engineering designed to be both incredibly strong and surprisingly light. Each bone is a living tissue, constantly nourished and maintained, far more complex than any classroom model could ever show. Ounce for ounce, bone is actually stronger than concrete, and in some ways even outperforms steel. Imagine holding a piece of bone in one hand and a chunk of concrete in the other. The bone can withstand more pressure before breaking, yet it's so light you barely notice its weight. This unique combination of strength and lightness is what allows you to move, jump, and run with ease. Take your femur, for example, the longest and strongest bone in your body. Its dense outer shell protects it from impacts, while the honeycomb-like inner structure absorbs shock and distributes force. This ingenious design means your femur can withstand forces that would easily crush metal or concrete, all while remaining light enough for you to walk and run. Engineers and architects actually study bone structure for inspiration. The way bones balance strength and weight is mimicked in airplane wings, skyscraper frameworks, and even advanced sports equipment. Nature's design has been perfected over millions of years, and we're still learning from it. But bones aren't just static supports. They're living, adaptable frameworks, constantly rebuilding and repairing themselves. Specialized cells called osteoblasts and osteoclasts work around the clock, breaking down old bone and forming new tissue so your skeleton stays strong and resilient throughout your life. Your skeleton is the silent foundation that lets you run, jump, dance, and live life to the fullest. It's a true marvel of nature, stronger than concrete, smarter than steel, and always working behind the scenes to keep you moving. That's real superhuman strength. Believe it or not, you're glowing right now. Even though you can't see it with your naked eye, your body is constantly emitting a soft, invisible light. This isn't science fiction or a superpower, it's a real phenomenon happening inside you every second of the day. All humans emit a faint light as a byproduct of metabolism, bioluminescence, though it's far too dim for our eyes to see. This glow is created when chemical reactions in your cells produce tiny amounts of light, a process similar to what happens in fireflies or deep-sea creatures but on a much subtler scale. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, every cell working to keep you alive, contributes to this gentle radiance. Sensitive cameras have captured this glow, which peaks in the late afternoon and is strongest on your cheeks, forehead, and neck. Scientists have used ultra-sensitive imaging equipment to reveal these patterns, showing that your body's light emission isn't random. It follows a daily rhythm, rising and falling with your internal clock. This invisible light is tied to your body's internal clock and energy levels. As your metabolism shifts throughout the day, so does your glow, subtly reflecting your body's cycles of activity and rest. In the afternoon, when your energy is at its peak, your glow is at its brightest, even if you can't see it. While it serves no known purpose, it's a reminder that you're a living engine, burning with invisible energy. This light is a silent testament to the incredible processes happening inside you every moment without you even noticing. It's a sign of life, a subtle signature of your existence. Even at rest, you're a whirlwind of chemical activity. Your cells are constantly breaking down nutrients, generating energy, and repairing themselves. Each of these microscopic reactions releases a tiny photon of light, adding to your body's invisible glow. You don't just have a life force, you have a light force. So, the next time you're sitting quietly in the dark, remember, you're not just alive, you're shining in ways you never imagined. Your stomach is filled with acid strong enough to dissolve metal, so why doesn't it eat itself? The answer, a thick alkaline mucus coats your stomach lining, creating a protective barrier. Even so, some cells get damaged, but your stomach has a secret weapon: rapid regeneration. Every 3 to 4 days you get a brand new stomach lining. It's a never-ending cycle of destruction and repair, keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Your stomach is a self-repairing fortress, surviving in one of the harshest environments in your body. That's biological resilience at its finest. Your skin is your largest organ, and it's constantly renewing itself. Every minute you shed up to 40,000 dead skin cells, adding up to over 40 million a day. Most of this ends up as household dust. Yes, you're everywhere in your own home. This shedding is vital. It helps heal wounds and removes harmful microbes before they can cause trouble. Your entire outer layer of skin is replaced every 27 days. You're always leaving the past behind, literally. Regeneration is your body's quiet superpower. Your sense of smell is far more powerful than you think. Recent research shows you can distinguish at least 1 trillion different odors, far more than the colors you can see or tones you can hear. With 400 types of scent receptors, your nose decodes complex chemical patterns, sending them straight to the brain's emotion and memory centers. That's why a single whiff can trigger vivid memories or strong feelings. Smell shapes your perceptions and moods in ways you barely notice. Every breath is a chemical story, unlocking 1 trillion memories. Your nose is a master detective. You really are taller when you wake up by about 1 centimeter. During the day, gravity compresses the soft discs between your vertebrae, making you slightly shorter. At night, lying down lets these discs reabsorb fluid and expand, restoring your height. This daily cycle is a subtle reminder of how dynamic your body is. Want to know your true height? Measure first thing in the morning. Even your spine has a daily rhythm. Your liver is the body's regeneration champion. Remove up to 75% of it, and it can regrow to full size in weeks. No other organ can match that. The liver performs over 500 vital functions, from detoxifying your blood to producing bile. Its cells multiply rapidly, rebuilding lost tissue with precision. This power makes living donor transplants possible. Both donor and recipient regrow healthy livers. It's a life-saving miracle happening quietly inside you. The liver is proof of your body's astonishing ability to heal. You're not just human, you're a walking ecosystem. Trillions of bacteria live on and inside you, nearly matching your own cells in number. These microbes, your microbiome, help digest food, produce vitamins, and train your immune system. Most are essential partners, not invaders. A healthy microbiome keeps you well, crowds out harmful bacteria, and even affects your mood. You're a superorganism, a collaboration between human and microbe. Your health depends on this invisible partnership. Your heart is a relentless engine beating over 100,000 times a day, more than 3 billion times in a lifetime. With each beat, it pumps blood through 60,000 miles of vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients everywhere. Cardiac muscle is built for endurance, packed with mitochondria for non-stop energy. Its built-in electrical system keeps the rhythm steady, never missing a beat. Your heart is the soundtrack of your life, a symbol of strength and resilience. It just keeps going, year after year. That's the power at the center of you. 10 strange facts. 1. Incredible body. From glowing skin to a self-repairing stomach and a trillion smells, you're a walking miracle of biology. Science keeps revealing new layers of complexity and wonder inside us. The more we learn, the more amazing it gets. Like this video, if you learned something new, share it with your science-loving friends and subscribe for more weird and wonderful facts about the world and yourself. Bill Bryson said it best, "It's a wonder any of us are alive at all."